Hello and welcome to another tarot. Oh, hold on. Let's move these a bit. Another tarot card unboxing and review. Not really tarot cards. This is an oracle. See, Eros Oracle. Eros. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that right. It's by the Scarab. I've had this one quite a while. Haven't even opened it. In fact, I'd go to far say I've had this the best part of a year and haven't opened it. First thing to note about the box is not in the best shape. That is the condition I bought it in. It's a pretty flimsy box, as you'd expect with Scarab, but the price was €7, which for any sort of deck is nothing, especially Irish prices. Let's see, so many questions about love, the game, seduction, courtship, physical personality affinities, as well as lightning, experience, alchemy. That makes Eros intriguing. Irresistible and complicated, profound and irrational, Eros is a key to our being. This box edition contains a deck of cards and a book. The deck is sensual and clever oracle, offering a practical and precise point of view. The book reveals the secret trick symbols leading to step by step to to divining mastery, by Laura Tuan. As you can see, the cards are relatively unique, somewhat mildly erotic. But €7, it was worth a chance, wasn't it? Now, the picture on the front is quite nice. First thing I noticed when I opened this box, nice big box. And relatively small deck of cards. The box itself, again, not great shape. Book, I know I flicked through this before, but can't quite remember. Yeah, it's pretty detailed, particularly for a the Scarab deck. I'm just noticing my nails need to be cut so badly. Let's see. Play, description: a puppeteer in a scary costume elegantly maneuvers two puppets, a male and a female. Significance: inevitable destiny, the presumption of guiding the lives of others, dissimulation, role, reciting, hidden truth, bedroom games, three-way situations. Guide interpretation: position 1 is a strong experience, almost extreme, where pleasure and pain, betrayal and regret are combined. Position 2, your partner has a good time with you, but she hides her intentions. He is very capable of betrayal and three-way games. Position 3, dissimulation. Anyway, you get the general idea. It's a relatively decent book for what are, particularly for the Scarab. So many questions about love, game stuff. Yeah, let's get on to the great bit, the cards. Now, nice, relatively big box. And the cards have plenty of room to play in it. You can't really. It's not a particularly small deck, but it's about the size deck of playing cards. Oh, hold on. I hate putting a knife in your cards, but then again, I hate putting pressure on the edges by tearing the plastic even more. There we go. First thing to note is they are very, very slidey and slippy. So I'm going to say they will be relatively easy to shuffle with. Here we have a booklet, which looks like, let's see, various languages, nowhere near as detailed as the bigger booklet. Back of the cards, it's okay, there's nothing special about it. They feel nice. Cards definitely going to shuffle well. So, let's have a look at them. Okay, as we can expect, all the different languages, but the English up the top. Expectation, lady waiting. Proffer. Provocation. Don't know if you can see that. So date on that, 1925. I'll have to look into the significance of that. Seduction. Mischief. It's interesting to see as you go through different languages. Print quality is okay. Not great, not bad. They look a bit washed out here. That's nothing wrong with the print, although the print's not great, but it's just the colouring. They're not bad. It's come out the way it's meant to be. It's not a faded print run. Ogle. Kiss. I should be doing that to the girlfriend later. Caress. Nice mixture between relatively modern and older pictures. Just do undress. Whisper. Embrace. Play. Possesses. That's a weird one. Transgress. Arousal. I notice we've changed colours. I have to look into what the colours it represents. There we go. Involvement. Jealousy. A mermaid. Indifference. Boredom. Embarrassment. Guilt. Fear. Ecstasy. Pleasure. Satisfaction. Dominion. Submission. Not exactly what I would have chosen for submission. And the 32nd card and the last card. Loss. So there you have it. It's the Eros Oracle by, where's the name on it again? Sorry, so we flip it over. By Laura Tuan. Relatively cheap deck. I picked this up for €7. Yeah, for €7 you can't really go wrong. So, click like and subscribe.